Let me introduce the Blockdown Awards.
So we were going to then make movies each week about what we were doing in isolation.
Keep us active.
Today's D-Day. We've had a little bit of rain. We're going to jump in and start sowing.
Cheers, guys.
I offered a few $100 each week as a prize, and it was game on.
It was like the competition was back in it as well.
Yeah.
So...
And everyone's so competitive, so that there was a lot of effort went into these videos.
What are you doing?
Go for a ride.
What do you mean?
Go for a ride.
Why are you dressed like that?
I'm born for this stuff. Like, I'm just born to be a clown. It's just like, it's in my nature.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
I'm going to be honest and say I'm really upset I didn't win that.
We came second.
Who won? Who won that week?
Luke
That was
and
Luke
Jazz.
and Jazz. They won with their workout.
I think one was funnier, to
Is
be
he
honest.
salty? I can't tell.
Salty.
Hi guys, welcome to House Balls Home Isolation Blockbuster Workout. Woo!
Fairly cringeworthy.
Very cringeworthy.
Looks like, stays like, looks like, stays like.
You're gonna love that being on Australian television.
Nah,
aren't
that
you?
won't make the cut, I don't think.
Oh, I think it's gonna be on TV.
Lift those thighs, sanitize. Lift those thighs, sanitize. Woo!
I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody has got a body like you. 'Cause I got to go for faith. I got to have faith.
Honestly, would you go for George Michael or would you go for Jimmy and Tams?
Well, I went for Jimmy and Tams.
They went for Jimmy and Tams.
What happened?
Block bucks.
Push yourself hard to the end or you fail the game.
Block bucks, come and get your block bucks.
It's Block o'clock. Tell you what, those would be mighty helpful.
The little Scotty doll wasn't on there as well. Yeah, that one.
Maybe Scotty should have been in the video with you.
Probably.
Scotty! Oh, mate, have I missed you.
Sure enough, the little Scotty doll does pop up in quite a few videos.
And our friend.
Measure twice, cut once.
Pass, cut us another bit of cheese there, would you, Scotty? But has Scotty told you about that time that he's told you about?
Hey, did I tell you about the time I want to go?
Oh, freaking hell, unbelievable, isn't it, eh?
Tools down, my two favourite words. Oh, does that mean they're missing me?
Don't break his head off, no.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know no.
Still in isolation,
Sounds like a funeral, Larry.
our teams join the rest of the country in the Bin ISO Challenge.
Obviously, the rest of Australia is getting dressed up to put the bin out, so we thought we'd do the same thing.
Creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family.
It was interesting seeing Dan and Jade and farm life and how different their videos were to ours.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride.
So putting out their bins, well, they had to drive forever.
Yeah, they were just practical videos of what we were doing in day-to-day life of isolation for us.
How could maggots live in pig poo?
Well, there's maggots in there. That is some stinky poo, isn't it?
Yeah.
Doing their washing when they had no washing machine.
Daniel has got this old chemical drum. Open it up, chuck the clothes in, give them a bit of a swoosh around in there.
Yeah, it was just a nice little insight into everyone's home life.